Hello, welcome our READYLATCH channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best jump rope that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Degol skipping rope with ball bearings, rapid speed jump. The Degol is not an ordinary jump rope. It is designed with exercise and comfort in mind. Most jump rope handles are made to be comfortable and easy to hold onto, but this jump rope has taken it a step further by adding memory foam handles. The handles are designed to provide maximum comfort. They are lightweight and have a 6-inch memory foam covering that not only provides a secure and comfortable grip on the skipping rope, but also has an inner sponge that absorbs sweat and is moisture resistant. Now to talk about the ball bearing system. The ball bearing mechanism enables complete, stable, and comfortable rotation by eliminating the twisting, winding, and bending that frequently happen when using a jumping rope. This design can help lessen the impact on the palms and wrists, making it a more pleasant experience and making it simpler to accomplish some skipping techniques. I found this jump rope to be a good value for money, and I really like how the handles are built. The padded foam absorbs sweat and eliminates any odor, reducing the frequency. Really like how the handles are built. The padded foam absorbs sweat and eliminates any odor, reducing the frequency. Number 2, Amazon Basic Standard Jump Rope. It is not necessary to spend extra money on jump ropes. If budget is an issue, you can go with this basic jump rope. This simple, inexpensive piece of exercise equipment can be used for cardiovascular fitness, coordination, and endurance training. You can experience the same workout without the extra features. The rope is made of plastic with ball-bearing handles wrapped in foam for a comfortable grip. The standard jump ropes can be used by people of all fitness levels and are a great way to get a full-body workout in a short amount of time. My first choice is always the basic jump rope because my main aim is to get a good workout. I usually look for handles with ball bearings. That is an option that I do not avoid because it provides smooth rotation and is easy on the wrists. This budget-friendly, adjustable-length jump rope comes recommended by Keegan Draper, a fitness specialist at MindBuddy. Since it's made with lightweight rubber cable, he admits the rope won't be as durable as a more expensive one, but still calls it a simple, basic jump rope to get the job done. Plus, he likes that it's easily adjustable for all heights and has comfortable foam grips. Its weighted handles. Fairly quickly, our testers felt a noticeable difference in the arm and shoulder burn compared to jump ropes with lighter handles. If you decide you've had enough extra arm work and you just want to go for maximum reps, the weights in the pulse handles can be quickly and easily removed. During our handle spin analysis, we discovered that the pulse bearings provided a longer rotation than many. Number 3, WOD Nation Speed Jump Rope. Blazing fast jumping ropes. If you're looking to perform quick tempo jumps like high knees, crossover, or double unders, you want a speed rope which moves faster. Lewis Chandler Joseph, NASM CPT, trainer at Dog Pound in Law, told Insider. Speed ropes are also great for working hand-eye coordination, he added. WOD Nation Speed Jump Rope uses a patented 4-metal ball bearing system in the handles. There is a bearing on the tip of each handle to hold the cable and another bearing in each handle for smooth rotations, and the handles are made of tapered nylon resin for a better grip. This speed rope comes in 9 colors and with an extra cable, replacement hardware, and a carrying bag. The cable is 2.5 mm thick and 11 feet long, which you can easily adjust. The cable is covered in 2.5 mm of nylon that moves fast through the air if you're looking to do some faster skipping workouts, with the articulated handles featuring tapered ends helping to keep a firm grip. The speed rope uses a parented 4-bearing system with 2 bearings on the handle and 2 on the tips to keep the steel cable secure. The lightweight construction combined with the clever design features gives you a jump rope that you can use to perform double unders with ease. What's even better is that they include a spare replacement cable in case the old one wears out and put it all in a convenient carry bag. This is a type of jump rope designed for CrossFit and high-intensity interval workouts. It is a cable rope, which is considered to be faster and more durable than traditional rope. Number 4, Jump Rope Master Double Unders and Smash Your Workout. This premium, kink-resistant cable that's coated in nylon for a smooth rotation. The handles feature a new ball bearing design for the best spin efficiency and speed. Thanks to the handy screw key system embedded in the handles, you're able to easily adjust the rope's length from workout to workout, a great feature if multiple people plan to use one jump rope. Rather than cutting the extra rope that you're not using, it gets stored within the handles. If you want to trade out the cable that comes with this jump rope with an ultra-thin variety or a heavier, weighted version, rest assured knowing the handles can adapt to pretty much any other cable. A storage bag is also included. For a high-quality jump rope that won't break the bank, check out this option from Degol. The rope also features lightweight handles with memory foam grips for extra comfort. Plus, it's designed to minimize twisting or bending, which can help maximize control while you're jumping. This thin rope out of their childhood treasure boxes after realizing how much of a workout it can give. Fitness enthusiasts love incorporating a skipping routine into their regimen as it is not only quick but also cost-effective. If you aren't able to afford a gym membership or extravagant equipment for your home, buying a single cable jump rope will be enough. The ultimate CrossFit sin of using her jump rope on abrasive surfaces like concrete. Doing this with any coated cable rope will eventually wear down the coating and expose the bare wire underneath. Still, for a coating to last 3 years is pretty impressive. Number 5 Epitome Fitness Sonic Boom M2 High-Speed Jump Rope. The name implies, speed ropes are designed to be lightweight, allowing you to jump rope faster. As a result, they can help burn calories and increase agility and cardiovascular endurance. The Sonic Boom comes with 2 adjustable 10-foot, 305-centimeter, polymer-coated speed cables. The rope has ball bearings to help it rotate smoothly and anti-slip silicone grips. The handles self-lock and are screw-free, so you don't have to worry about them unscrewing or falling off. This type of jump rope is designed for high-intensity speed jumping. It is designed to be faster than your average jump rope so that the user can focus on cardio and speed. There are other things you can improve with this Sonic Boom speed rope. The handle features a 360-degree ball bearing system for smoother and faster rotation. The rope is made with durable materials that can withstand an intense workout. Jumping rope is an effective cardio and endurance exercise, and using a speed rope like the Sonic Boom M2 can increase the intensity of the workout, which can help to burn more calories. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.